In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bank statement in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to avoid common pitfalls so your transactions land in the right place the first time. Start by opening your browser and going to books.zoho.com. Sign into your Zoho account if prompted, and choose the correct organization if you manage more than one. Make sure you have permission to access banking in this organization. If you don't see the option, you may need your admin to grant access. The interface can vary slightly based on your role or region, but the core steps are the same. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and click on Banking. This is your hub for bank and credit card accounts. Take a second to confirm you're working with the correct account where you want the statement to land. Keeping the right account selected helps prevent imports into the wrong place, which can save you from cleanup later. Next, look for the Import Statement option. You'll typically find it at the top right of the banking page or within the specific bank accounts view. If you also see a Connect Bank or Bank Feed option, ignore that for now. We're focusing on a manual statement upload. Now choose your file and click Next. If you haven't already downloaded a statement, grab it from your bank's website. Zoho generally accepts formats like CSV, OFX, and QIF, and in many cases XLS or XLSX. For the smoothest experience, a clean CSV with one header row works well. Double check that the file covers the date range you need and doesn't overlap with transactions you've already imported to avoid duplicates. Make sure it includes essential columns such as date, description, and amount, or debit and credit if they're split. Watch out for extra blank rows, merged cells, or special characters. Cleaning those before you upload can prevent errors. After you click Next, Zoho may display a quick preview or ask you to confirm column mappings and date formats. Take a moment to verify that dates are recognized correctly, descriptions look readable, and amounts are in the right sign and currency. If your CSV uses separate debit and credit columns, ensure each is mapped correctly. If it uses a single amount column, deposits should be positive and withdrawals negative. When the upload finishes, your transactions will appear in the banking section, typically ready to be matched or categorized. If something looks off, you can cancel the import and try again with an adjusted file or date range. That's it. Your bank statement is now in Zoho Books, and you're ready to reconcile with confidence.